With Giftship, you can send one shipping confirmation email covering every recipient in a multi-address order. Let's see how it works in Shopify. Visit the Giftship dashboard and scroll down to the Orders tab. Then visit the Multi-Address Orders panel. Find the parent multi-address order. Click the Actions drop-down and choose Send Shipping Confirmation. Preview the email. Then click Send. Your confirmation email was successfully sent to the recipient. One email with tracking and gift messages for every child order. And that's it. One shipping confirmation sent once with every recipient's tracking and gift message included. Giftship. Everything your Shopify store needs for gifting. One app, one subscription.